Welcome to Dominic and Bradley's kitchen show.
Baking show.
Baking show. Stop. Welcome to Dominic's and Bradley's baking show. Today we are gonna make chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah! Now commercial.
Yeah!
Wow.
It's no joke. Chips, baking soda, baking powder, salt, flour.
Okay, and how much money do you have? $5. All right, let's go. So who's gonna hold the basket?
I am.
Okay, good. Bradley, you're going to help Kuya, okay?
Okay.
All right, good.
But you're going with the list.
I'm just gonna help you pay.
Dom, grab a basket.
Do you need the basket?
Just the basket, I think. I think it's okay. So that he can carry it.
Brad, shall we get our own basket?
Would I put the bag in here?
Okay, you can.
Eyes on the prize. We need to go to where the items are, okay? Eyes on the prize. Don't look there.
Don't look at the toys.
Stop.
No.
Which ones are the brown?
It's brown.
It is brown. So have a look.
Butter.
Get one.
Quick!
Shall we go? Your hair be quick.
I'll get it.
You cannot stop. You cannot stop.
Yes?
That's fine.
That's
Good
not
job.
butter. Is
It
this
is.
butter?
Yeah, look. What does it say?
Butter? Oh.
Right? So put it in the
But
basket.
I was gonna get that. Our first one. We should just like saw it.
You should have like a pen so you can take
Where
it.
did you bring your pen, Dom?
Huh?
Did you bring your pen? Oh, you didn't. Okay. All right.
fine,
So
okay.
what's on the list? So butter's check. What's next?
Oh, I didn't bring.
That's okay. What's next? Dom, can you read?
Yeah, I can read. We need baking powder.
Okay, baking powder. Let's go. Let's find baking powder.
This is small one. Small one.
That's it.
Where's the small one?
What?
There's a vanilla ice cream. There's vanilla ice cream. Vanilla and then that's all.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We only get the
So
the butter.
here, what's next on the list after butter? What's
After
next
the
on the list after butter?
Oh, sorry.
Baking powder.
Oh, what's this one here?
Beauty. Chocolate chip.
Oh, there you go.
There you
We
go.
already did that.
No, we didn't have chocolate chips. Okay. Dom, put this in the basket. So tomorrow our cookies would have spinach, okay? That's how it is. We've got chocolate chip cookies, but I forgot it has got to have spinach.
Look at the
Is that okay? Is that okay?
What?
Yeah. You won't taste the spinach because it has got chocolate in it. Is that okay? What? What? Is that okay? Bradley,
Yeah.
so it's chocolate chip with spinach. Is that okay? Chocolate
Yeah.
chip cookies with spinach.
Red Lotus.
So that's okay,
No.
right?
Haha!
baking soda, your butter, chocolate chip, and then sugar. That's what you're gonna pay for.
I'm going to pay for these ones here.
Alrighty.
1 second,
I don't have
Dom.
money.
You don't have money? How are you supposed to pay for this then?
I only have 9 pennies and
You only have 9 pennies? Oh no!
These kids are going to bake, that's right.
Ooh, what you baking?
chocolate
12.92 is your
cookie.
total.
Chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh, that sounds good.
You wanna go?
Are you guys ready for tomorrow's baking show?
Yes.
Good. All right. Hi everyone. My name is Valeri.
I'm Christina, and we're from Queen of Hearts Couture Cakes. So today we have 2 very special guests, 2 very tiny guests,
Handsome guest.
cutest guests. Look there.
Oh, so that's the camera. All right. So, welcome.
Welcome to Dominic's and Bradley's baking show. Today we are gonna make chocolate chip cookies.
Ooh, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do we have here in front of us?
Flour,
Flour.
brown sugar, white sugar, chocolate chip,
Okay, and then Bradley's turn.
Bradley's turn.
butter, eggs, egg yolks,
And then
Dominic's turn.
vanilla, salt, and baking soda.
well done. Okay, so do you guys know what to do next?
Huh?
You guys know what to do next?
Bradley.
The next step we are going to do is mix all the dry ingredients together. The salt goes here.
Yeah. Put it there. Pour it there.
The next step is we are gonna mix all the wet ingredients.
Bradley's turn. What is that?
Brown sugar.
In here. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, all of it. Good job.
Whoa!
Others are out.
And then Kuya Dom.
So clean. It's so clean.
Was that?
This is the white sugar I am gonna put in. Even can't see it. What? So white. Now I'm gonna turn on the mixer. Now. No! What?
Let's see.
Then egg.
Then 8. Then go back to 4.
Go back to 4.
That's it. Stop.
And 0.
And 0 now. 0. Well done.
Now the eggs. Now the egg yolks. And finally the vanilla.
Good job.
And 0. Good job.
Oh, the eggs
The eggs are gone. I like it.
The eggs are gone.
Eggs are gone.
Look inside.
Is
Yeah.
it all gone?
Where
Because
did
Yeah.
the mixer broke the eggs. Let's finish like this. like a exploding egg.
Okay, high five, guys.
Hey.
And me.
All right, next step.
All right.
What's the next step? Now we are gonna put the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together.
All right.
Careful.
Whoopsie daisy. All right, that's it.
Sand. White sand. Now we are gonna mix all of the ingredients together with the mixer. But not the chocolate. Then the Let's go.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you your dough.
Hey,
This is that is Bradley.
Vicky?
Uh-huh.
I think that's so
And
much.
this is
Dominic.
Dominic's. There you go. Okay. And then
Slimy.
no, not yet. So what are we gonna do?
Put chocolate.
Make
Okay,
sure it
careful.
doesn't go on the floor, okay?
Yeah. You can put a well. Put a well there. There you go. Okay.
Like a chocolate pile.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate pile. Put in a chocolate pile. That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Do one more and then
One more and
that's it.
Okay, that's it. All right, and then mash it together. Careful.
Cover the dough.
Yeah, go mash. Mash.
Now we are ready to make cookie balls.
Cookie
Can we help you
balls.
guys?
So Tita's gonna help you.
I know how to make a ball.
I know, but just a little bit.
Oh, that's a good
It's a good technique. Well, can you make it slightly bigger?
That's my
Oh,
trick.
that is too small. And this is how you make chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah? Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers, Kayla! Cheers, Kayla!
Yeah.
Mmm.
Broken.
Oh no!
Oh no, you eat it.
Chocolate.
Chocolate!
Say bye, boys.
So, tell them, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
Bye bye.
See you in the next video. Bye. Bye. See you next video. See you next video. Aku berserah. Makan leda.